Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have Influee, which is basically a tool that helps you create these video ads for social media. It's for e-commerce stores. So this is like pretty common. Basically what it is, it's an editor that you can easily add your brand to it. You can add captions, you can add testimonials, you can change the layout, you can create templates. All these little things to make it feel like, so you can create the perfect ad, right? So these are a bunch of companies that use it. Right? Is it really good? They show how it works. So you just post a brief, someone creates the video, you can edit it, and so on. So it's like an all-in-one type of thing, which they do explain in this video. And I like that they had this very quick overview because in this case they do have a simple product, but it is very clear to understand that that someone else creates the videos as well. They also help you source them and they also help you edit them, right? I also really like that immediately said if you don't like it, you can get your money back, right? Which is great. I think it's really clear because as soon as you talk about other people recording videos for you, the objection will come up that you might not be happy about them, and then you're addressing that right away, right? Then you're talking about essentially a lot of features that they actually done really well in terms of the visual side. So for example, you talk about that you have all these content creators in all these countries, right? Then we have videos for any industry, for like family industry, cosmetics, and so on. They link to very specific examples, which is great because then they can see the same product explains for a lot of different industries, so they can relate to it and see the reviews and see that their content creators are actually pretty good. They give an estimation of price. They can get reviews. You can do like all the contents and payments, which is great because that could be a big objection. And then they visually show how easily you can edit things, right? So you'll get a raw video back, but you can easily add the subtitles. You can easily change the format, so you can upload it as an ad, as an Instagram story, as a reel, or whatever it is. So everything is detailed, right? They talk about the template. So what they're doing here is they're making everything very visual. They are not saying, hey, you can change video formats really fast. No, I'm showing it that I have one video and I can add like 3 or 4 crops and everything is done automatically and I just click export, right? They don't show that I can easily add subtitles. No, they're showing, hey, I literally say that I want to translate this to Dutch and that's it, right? It's that clear. And then I just export the video. So that's really good. This is a really good page. They also talk about the money back guarantee here again, which is great. They probably also talk about it in the pricing page, which is really good. So they do the creation and they also do the editing side, which maybe in the homepage they can separate that a little bit better. But that's it. I think this is a very clear page. It's very visual, which is great. And then this is something that you can use as an example, right? Just because it's like a social media type ads platform or mixed up with a B2B service is still a good reference for you to look at, right? So let me know what you think about this page in the comments. Let me know if there's any other page that you want me to tear down. If you want help with your landing pages in order to have them convert better, and I help you rewrite them, help you restructure the content in order for you to get 20, 50% better conversions on each of the pages, just let me know in the comments or DM me. Happy to see if I can help you, right? So again, let me know what you think about this page and hopefully see you on a call soon. Cheers.